Hello everyone, if you try to convert from a picture into editable text in Microsoft Word, from saving to PDF and convert, but it's still like this. Let me show you how to fix it. So here I have a picture that I took from this book. You can check link in the description if you're looking for to grow your YouTube channel. It's a great book. Okay, so first we need to edit it. Just edit it and crop it to very small like this. Just keep close to your text as possible, right? Like this. Okay, if it have more blank space, it tend to be more error. So let me just save it. Okay, here what we got. So let's open Microsoft Word. Let me delete the old file right here and open Microsoft Word right here and just drag it up here. Okay, and then files, save as. Let's choose here PDF. So let's see, fix picture to PDF, sorry, to Word. Okay, now we got our PDF file right here. So right now let's open it, browse to our location, fix this one. It will ask us to convert. So the same process, but we'll see the result right here. You can see it convert to editable text automatically. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. See you in the video.